Welcome to this short video showing the effects of putting a gas check on a plain-base bullet using the Pat Marlin's Checkmaker die. The main video shows the bore condition after firing 10 shots at 1700 feet per second. This is a 457132 bullet, 535 grain. On the upper right is the same bullet being fired at about 85 feet per second slower, using two powders. The powder on the far right is the same powder as shown in the large video in the middle. That's 5744. And as you can see, especially when you get down near the muzzle, look at on the top right there, just a huge amount of leading. And that's using a hardened bullet, a heat-treated bullet, in all three cases here. So the only thing basically I've changed is the addition of a gas check, and what you see is what you see. It's a huge difference.